Assalamu alaikum. Once you've installed the Nusuk app, you click on New User. At the top of the screen, you'll see Visitor, Gulf, Citizen, or Resident. Obviously, we would select Visitor. Enter your visa number, which is the number on top of your visa. Put in your passport number and fill in the rest of the form according to what's required. So date of birth, phone number, email. While the phone number is not particularly required or used, it does need to be entered there. The key information that should be entered is the email address. So when you've selected your nationality and fill in the phone number, be sure to use an email address that you have access to because it'll send you verification codes. Create a password, and the password is a password you're using for the app, not your email password, but the app password for this program. Select all the checkboxes and then click on register. When you click register, you'll receive a code to your email. When you get that code, you enter it into the app and click on verify. Once verified, again, make sure you select visitor at the top. Your nationality should be there and your passport number should be there. If not, enter it, enter the password and click on login. A second verification will be sent. And once received, enter that verification here and click on verify. When you've logged in, if you've selected Remember Me on the app, you shouldn't receive or need to use a verification code anymore. On the main screen here, you can select Umrah or visiting the Prophet's Mosque for men or women. That'll be based to your visa. You'll have dates and times available for visiting the Rauda, red, yellow, and green. The color doesn't matter. It just shows how many people or how crowded it will be. But even if it's red, there are still spaces available if the time is there to select. Select it, select the obligation to see instructions, the checkbox, and click on Issue Permit, and you'll receive a permit, as long as you don't have a current permit already issued. So same from the main page, select Umrah, select Main User, and then select the date and time that you plan to perform Umrah, or the time you plan to arrive in Mecca. Again, the color doesn't matter, it just shows how crowded it is, but if there's a date and time showing there, and it's not grey, it's available. Select the obligation to see instructions, it's just a requirement, and select Issue Permit. Once the permit's issued, you'll see a screen like this with the flashing QR code in the top corner and the date and time of your permit. If it's correct, you can use it. If it's not, you can cancel and start again. From this main page, or when you close the app and then you start the app again when you arrive in Saudi, your permit will show first. And you can just click on End to go back to the main page. And if you want to view your permits, click on Permit, and it'll show you all the permits that you have available. You can only have one Umrah and one Rota permit at a time.